Now, the Ministry of Education has released lists of admissions into federal unity colleges across country, marking a major milestone in promoting transparency, efficiency, and optimal capacity management in secondary school placement. Now, the initiative, driven by Minister of Education, Dr. Tunji Alausa, ensures that all admissions are now fully automated and strictly conducted within approved capacity of each school, eliminating previous challenges of overstretched facilities. Speaking on significance of the reform, Dr. Alausa stated, current admission exercise covers 80 conventional federal unity colleges, while admission into remaining 42 federal technical colleges under technical and vocational education, as well as training program, will be released in due course. Director, Senior Secondary Education, Hajia Binta Abdulkadri, also noted automation is a game changer as the reform is expected to streamline admission process, improve accountability, and uphold highest educational standards across federal unity colleges nationwide. The Federal Ministry of Education says it remains committed to providing quality education within a safe, conducive learning environment for all children.